Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Lego Ford F-350. We'll begin by gathering all the essential Lego bricks and any specialized pieces you might need for this impressive build. Next, we'll focus on constructing a robust chassis, which is crucial for providing a strong foundation for your truck. Finally, we'll move on to building the detailed cab and the truck bed, bringing your miniature Ford F-350 to life, with careful attention to its iconic features. Now that we have our pieces, let's dive into the chassis. Start by assembling the main frame using longer Technic beams to ensure maximum strength and stability for your truck. Once the frame is solid, carefully attach the axles and wheels, making sure they rotate smoothly for a realistic driving experience. Don't forget to integrate any suspension components. These will give your Lego Ford F-350 a more authentic look and feel, ready for any adventure. Moving on, it's time to bring the iconic look of the F-350 to life. First, we'll build the truck's cab, carefully adding the windshield and functional doors. Next, construct the spacious truck bed, ensuring it has strong side panels, just like the real thing. For an extra touch of realism, incorporate interior details such as comfortable seats and a steering wheel. These small additions make a big difference in the overall appearance and playability of your Lego model. To complete your amazing Lego Ford F-350, let's focus on the finishing touches. Add exterior details such as side mirrors, headlights, taillights, and sturdy bumpers to give it that authentic look. Feel free to customize your truck with unique color schemes or additional accessories to make it truly one of a kind. You've now built an incredible model. For those who love to read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your fantastic new Lego creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.